Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put two videos side by side and edit in CapCut. So as you can see, this is the result. How are you going to create like this? First, you just have to import the two videos and drag it below here. So let's just say the first one and then the second one. Now you could also drag the first or the second video at the top of the first video and start resizing it. So let me put it up right here and then cut or trim so that they have the same length. Now in order for you to simply resize this, all you have to do is to tap this circle and it will resize your video. So for example, I want to make my two videos visible in each other side or both side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize. So tap the video, click this circle right here, and then resize, and then put it on the other side. Now click the second video again, the video below here, tap the circle, and then resize it and put it on the other side. And basically that's it. That's how to put or how you put two videos side by side here in your CapCut. You can just simply place it wherever you want. You can even add an effect right here. Like for example, I want to add effect. For example, if you're going to post this on your YouTube channel, so you can add effects by going to animation and look for that effect right here and then drag it to each of the video. But basically, that's how you do it. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.